Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Halor kejingja sya thombor u secretary jong kahimanong spong ba Michael Wardry, bat kejingsha penjot penpra kayeng bat kejing don jing em jong u. Kabalaja hakan new trek matabna jembang arajar ke kendai, Shen kihe jong ke Sorkar Meghalaya. Ken selek Ïakynduh ikihe Sorkar jong ke jala Assam, banyak keren Halor upur Assam, hapedeng kini ke Arliang mamla. Ya kan nilai itu, do sempot menteri rang ba ke jala, uba Preston Tynsong, ha ke jingi keren berkinong patai kubor, hadin ke jelang jong ke kenhuan menteri, ha ke khandreu trek mentau bena jembang arajar kat kendai.
We should not say constitutional or unconstitutional. Because see, even if, suppose, in the bordering area which falls under Assam, in case, if our police force has to encroach, they have to go. If they found out some culprit, they have to go. But there are due process how to go about it. That's right. Okay, due process has to be there. Due process meaning without consulting your counterpart, you can't do this. I personally feel that is too bad. They should not do that. See, counterpart meaning if you cannot talk DC to DC level, why not talk SP to SP level? If not SP to SP level, why not talk to OC level? So that process in fact has to be there. So it is very unfortunate. Well, our Home Minister, Chief Minister, that night itself they spoken personally to our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam about all these issues. But as I said to you, ultimately let us wait till we meet, till we have a meeting. As I said to you, the highest talk will be held very soon between Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. From the Himalayas boat, in fact, NOC has been given. That's what this Assam. That's why this Assam they started construction, and this issue has been brought to me lately. Okay, but when I checked all the papers, I found out that the NOC has been already granted by the Hima.
Can the Hima do it without consulting?
By the Hima, they did it already. That's what I'm saying. I don't know whether the same is the same scheme or not. That is a different issue. But that has happened last year. Okay, that has happened last year. So the Assam did it. In fact, maybe the intention of the same who granted that NOC is because the people in that side, they are so, it's totally isolated and there is no motorable road at all. Maybe on the basis of that, it is good since they approach, even the local MNA from that side, they approach and then ultimately NOC has been given, and on the basis of that, they started the road. See, that is from their level, okay? See, in fact, from our side, what we do, from the government level, from Hima level or from village level is different issue. But in fact, from our side, there was a standing order. And the meeting was decided in presence of Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya during Lapang's time and again during Tarun Gogai's time. In that meeting, they said, let us maintain status quo without coming down to any conclusion that this side is mine or this side is mine. So therefore, while maintaining status quo, let us also allow developmental activities to happen from either side. If it is from Meghalaya side, let us allow developmental activities because ultimately both sides, those people who say both habitations, they get benefits. And then as well as from Assam side, if anything, developmental activities coming down, let us allow. Forget about the boundary, let us talk about the people, the habitation who stays that side. So that was the decision taken that time. Until today, we are still maintaining that. Okay, and that, in fact, that decision when we taken is like this. We already authorized to both the district administration. DC of both sides should always keep meeting, should always keep information. If there is any proposal, be it for developmental activities, be it maybe for any program, water or electricity or road or whatever, they should inform in advance to each other. That is the